Hey there! Have you ever wondered if you can download IPTV on your Roku TV? If you're a Roku user and want access to thousands of live TV channels and video-on-demand options, you're probably looking for the best way to get IPTV up and running. Unfortunately, Roku doesn't officially support IPTV apps directly through its channel store. But don't worry, there are still some great ways to stream IPTV on your Roku. In this video, we'll explore the options, provide step-by-step instructions, and introduce 2TV Store, one of the top IPTV providers to give you seamless access to live TV content. Roku, unlike Android or Firestick, doesn't allow IPTV apps in its official app store. But why? The reason is due to licensing and platform restrictions, which limit the availability of third-party apps like IPTV Smarters or TV Mate. Roku's ecosystem is locked down in terms of what apps can be distributed through its channels. But does that mean Roku users are out of luck when it comes to IPTV? Absolutely not. You can still watch IPTV on Roku with a few clever workarounds. The first method you can try is screen mirroring or casting. If you have an Android phone, tablet, or even a Windows computer, you can cast your IPTV streams to your Roku TV. Here's how you can do it. Enable screen mirroring. Head to your Roku settings, select System, and find the Screen Mirroring option. Make sure it's turned on. Install an IPTV app on your mobile device. On your Android or iOS device, download an IPTV app like IPTV Smarters or TV Mate. You can also sign up for a reliable IPTV service like 2TV.store, which gives you access to over 35,000 live TV channels and a huge library of on-demand content. Cast to Roku? From your mobile device, use the Cast feature to stream your IPTV content directly to Roku. Another popular method is using Plex or MB as media servers to integrate IPTV into your Roku device. Plex allows you to add IPTV channels, but you'll need a bit of setup. Once configured, you can enjoy streaming all your IPTV channels through Roku, and the setup works flawlessly with services like 2TV Store. It's a bit more complex than screen mirroring, but it offers an organized interface and makes channel browsing a lot easier. Now, why should you consider 2TV Store for your IPTV needs? With over 35,000 live channels from around the world, extensive video-on-demand options, and a user-friendly interface, 2TV Store gives you a premium IPTV experience. Whether you're looking for live sports, international news, or entertainment, 2TV Store offers reliable service, high-quality streams, and compatibility with multiple devices like Roku, Android boxes, and Firestick. To get the most out of your IPTV experience on Roku, here are a few tips. Stable internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and fast internet connection. Streaming IPTV requires consistent bandwidth for smooth playback, especially for live channels. Use wired connection. If possible, connect your Roku to your network via Ethernet to ensure stable streaming. Adjust your router settings. Prioritize streaming on your network to avoid buffering during peak times. Closing. So, while Roku may not officially support IPTV apps, it's still possible to enjoy IPTV by using screen mirroring, casting, or Plex. With a reliable IPTV service like 2TV.store, you can unlock access to a vast range of live channels and on-demand content right from your Roku TV. Want more streaming tips and IPTV guides? Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.